Show you how to make a worm farm using two 20-litre buckets. Now what I'm going to do with the first one is I'm actually going to drill a hole in the bottom of it, and then we'll get started on the top one. So there's a hole in the middle of that one. Now if you have any holes around the bottom here, you actually need to seal them off. So what you're going to use is actually best, so it doesn't hurt the worms, is actually a wet area silicone sealant. That one is the best one by Sealy's. Now what you're going to do next is actually get a piece of irrigation piping. You need to make sure that that area is completely flat, otherwise it will not escape properly. Alright, that one's more or less flat. Now you're going to grab some super glue and actually run the super glue around this area. Now this will not hurt the worms as long as you actually let it dry for a couple days. If you don't let it dry for a couple days, the fumes might get to the worms, but it's highly doubtful. Okay, so now what you do is you push this through the hole, but do not let it get in too far, otherwise it will not drain properly. So what you need to do is you need to put the bucket up on its side, feel inside. If it's too far in, push it out a little bit. Make sure it is level with the bucket. And don't do what I just did. Okay, so push this back in. Double check. Yes, that's flat with the surface. So now we're going to secure this with some more super glue. Now super glues can be quite pricey, so I strongly suggest you actually get it from a cheap shop, like a reject shop or something like that. You'll get a 10 pack for normally about $2. So just make sure that's all secure. Put your lid back on your super glue because you do not want to get it on your hands. Now it will look like this. You'll put this to one side for a couple of days and let it dry. Now if you want to, you can actually use a silicone based sealant around it, but only once the super glue is dry. Next, what you do is you grab a 4mm drill bit, so that's just that one there. Take off that one, put this one on. Now I'm going to drill holes in our top base one. Okay, so that's all the holes in there. You need to make sure you have around 30 to 50 holes to enable adequate drainage. So now what we do next is we just wait for a couple of days in order for the super glue and the sealant to dry, and then we can put it together. So I'll put another video up on how to make that.